In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel order on Jumia. Let's say you already placed an order that's going on, then maybe you thought of something, or maybe you're just not interested in that product again, so you want to just cancel that order. All you just need to do, just log into your Jumia app, then log into with your details, then you can see account down below. Just click on the account, then it's gonna show you this page just like this. Then under the orders, you're gonna see the order that is currently running on your Jumia account. So just click on orders, then it's gonna show all the orders you have in your account. Then you can see I also have cancelled or returned right here. So I think I canceled some orders. You can see right there, cancelled, payment unsuccessful. This one is a cancelled and refunded order. You can see boom pop. So all you just need to do, once you see that order on this page, you can see ongoing or delivered. So just click on that order. Then the next thing you're gonna see is cancel order, where you see buy again right there. You're gonna say cancel order, then you take you to a page where it will ask you the reason why you actually want to cancel that order. Then you select your reason why you want to cancel the order. Then they're gonna process the order cancellation for you. And there is two ways. Probably the order is a pay on delivery, or you already make a payment. They're gonna refund the money. If you already make a payment, they're gonna refund the money straight down to the same account you provided or used to purchase that product you want to cancel. And if it's an order on delivery, they're not gonna charge you, because and they're not gonna deliver that product to you. So that is how you can cancel order on Jumia without any issue.